Got my custom truggy project, the entire rear differential teardown. As you can see, it's a rear differential diff case. Here's the internal parts for the differential, the spider gears, crossbars, and washers, all that good stuff. Everything's been cleaned up with WD-40, cleaned off. WD-40 and some alcohol and some scrubbing. Unfortunately, this grub screw stripped out, so I can't take out the other side, but hopefully it should be fine for doing the new differential fluid for the rear diff box, which is this one. This is the one that I picked up. I'm going to try this one out. It's 30,000 heavyweight grease, HPI racing. Here's the tube cylinder it comes in. This is a green putty color. It's a green color, it's like a putty. It's pretty thick. It's very thick. It's like once you get it smeared, you can feel how like non-slippery, if that makes sense, anti-slippery. So I'm going to try this out and see how this works. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more to come.